Paris awakens slowly. But Montmartre? Montmartre rises with a special kind of magic. Imagine this, the sun peeks over the rooftops. You stroll down cobblestone streets, still damp with morning dew. The air is crisp, and the only sound is the gentle hum of the city waking up. Duck into a small cafe. The aroma of freshly baked bread welcomes you. Order a café au lait and a buttery croissant. The crust flakes satisfyingly as you take a bite. This, my friends, is the taste of Paris. Now wander deeper into the heart of Montmartre. You'll find hidden courtyards and colorful murals tucked away. These are the secrets Montmartre whispers to those who rise early. And as you climb the steps to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city below. As the sun climbs higher, Montmartre comes alive. Shopkeepers roll up their awnings, greeting each other with a cheerful bonjour. The air fills with the tantalizing smells of freshly baked bread and roasting coffee. Watch as vendors set up their colorful stalls. They're brimming with flowers, artwork, and souvenirs. Listen closely and you'll hear the cheerful chatter of locals catching up on the day's news. Step into a local boulangerie. The warmth of the oven and the smell of yeast fill the air. Choose from an array of pastries, pain au chocolat, almond croissants, or perhaps a crusty baguette. This is a true taste of everyday Parisian life. Montmartre has always been a haven for artists. In the early 20th century, it was the stomping ground of Picasso, Modigliani, and other legendary figures. You can still feel their presence in the air, especially in the Place du Théâtre. Today, the artistic spirit of Montmartre lives on. Street artists transform walls into vibrant canvases. Musicians fill the air with melodies. Small galleries showcase the works of up-and-coming artists. Don't miss the hidden gem that is the Musée de Montmartre. This charming museum tells the story of the neighborhood's artistic heritage. It's a fascinating glimpse into the lives and work of the artists who made Montmartre their home. As the day fades, Montmartre takes on a magical glow. The setting sun bathes the cobblestone streets in a warm light. The scent of dinner wafts from cozy bistros. Street lamps flicker on, casting a romantic spell over the neighborhood. Find a table at a cafe and savor a delicious French meal. Listen to the gentle strumming of a nearby guitar. Watch as the streetlights illuminate the Sacré-Cœur, creating a breathtaking silhouette against the darkening sky. This is Montmartre at its most enchanting. A place where time seems to stand still. A place where the spirit of art and the joy of life intertwine. So come explore the hidden gems of Montmartre and discover the magic of Paris, one cobblestone street at a time.